Today I am going to make healthy beetroot and potato soup. Ingredients: 1 large beetroot, 1 large potato, 1 small onion, few garlic cloves and mint leaves for decorating. First, cut few slices from both potato and beetroot for decorating. Then cut the potato to pieces and cut beetroot pieces smaller than potato pieces because beetroot take a long time to cook. Put all the ingredients with salt and pepper and 2 cups of water into a pot and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. I use my small rice cooker because it's easy for me. Now it's time to make things to decorate the soup. I slice bread in this side because I need a long strip. Take one bread strip and toast little until it becomes a light brown. After cooking the soup, separate potato and beetroot slices from the soup. It's time to cut flowers from them. I use 2 sizes of flower cutters and cut flowers like this. Place the flowers top of the bread strip and decorate with mint leaves. This is how I separated slices. Then put all into a blender and blend until it becomes smooth and creamy. Pour the soup into a serving bowl. Place the bread strip in this way and now it's ready.